Hello dear students, and once again I welcome back to all of you to my English YouTube channel. The basic English grammar series we have already started. Some basic topics of English grammar we have conducted previously. Now today we are going to open a new but a basic chapter of English language, and that is kinds of sentences. Isn't it? Kinds of sentences. In Marathi it is called as वाक्यांचे असणारे प्रकार किंवा वाक्याचे असणारे प्रकार. Now generally there are four different kinds of sentences, isn't it? The first assertive, the second imperative, the third interrogative, and the fourth that is an exclamatory sentence, isn't it? Today in this video we are going to talk the first two kinds of sentences. They are assertive and second one is imperative. Therefore, without any delay, directly we are going to start our today's video, that is kinds of sentences. Now here on the board we have written the proper examples of assertive or declarative sentence. At very first, what is assertive or what is a declarative sentence? Isn't it? Either assertive or declarative sentence in Marathi it is called as विधानार्थी वाक्य. बरोबर, म्हणजे असं एक वाक्य ज्याच्यामध्ये एखादं विधान केलं जातं किंवा असं एक वाक्य ज्याच्यामध्ये एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल माहिती सांगितली जाते आणि असं एक वाक्य ज्याचा शेवट हा फुल स्टॉपने निश्चित होतो, अशाच वाक्याला बोलतात विधानार्थी वाक्य किंवा अशाच वाक्याला आपण बोलू शकतो यस assertive sentence. In English, a sentence which gives us a new information or a sentence which declares something in itself, the sentence is known as assertive sentence. साधं सोपं आणि सरळ असं एक वाक्य ज्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी माहिती सांगितली जाते किंवा ज्याच्यामध्ये काहीतरी डिक्लेरेशन दिलेलं असतं ते वाक्य आहे assertive sentence. Examples: The sun rises in the east. Isn't it? The sun rises in the east. Now this is known as the regular process. We know it very well. Isn't it? सूर्य दररोज पूर्व दिशेला उगवतो. Second, the king was very brave. Isn't it? The king was very brave. Here in this sentence we get information about the king. There was a king and he was brave. Isn't it? Third example, I am a brave warrior. Isn't it? It's a declaration. Somebody has declared himself that myself I am a brave warrior, and therefore yes, I am a brave warrior. Again an example of assertive or declarative sentence. And one more, yes, Gandhiji is the father of a nation. Indeed, it is information or that is known as the thing which we know more about Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhiji, he is considered or he is known as father of a nation. And therefore, once again, a sentence which gives us new information or a sentence which declares something and a sentence which ends with full stop, that sentence is known as assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Now here, yes, sentence number second or kinds of sentence number second, that is imperative sentence. In Marathi it is known as आज्ञार्थी वाक्य. आज्ञार्थी वाक्य किंवा त्याच्यामध्ये विनंती देखील बऱ्याच वेळेस दिली जाते किंवा केली जाते. And the concept of imperative sentence is a sentence which starts with the main verb is known as yes imperative sentence. Once again, a sentence which begins with the main verb is known as imperative sentence. असं एक वाक्य ज्याच्या सुरुवातीला येस किंवा ज्याची सुरुवात मुख्य क्रियापदाच्या आधारे केली जाते अशा वाक्यांना नेहमी बोललं जातं imperative sentence. किंवा असं एक वाक्य ज्याच्यामध्ये आज्ञा, ऑर्डर, रिक्वेस्ट, कमांड अशा प्रकारच्या गोष्टी वापरल्या जातात त्या वाक्यांना देखील बोललं जाते imperative sentence, आज्ञार्थी वाक्य. Examples: Give me a glass of water. Isn't it? Give me a glass of water. It is the proper order given in the sentence. Second, go and play on the ground. Go and play on the ground. Again, it looks that teacher has given order and now students they will go to play on the ground. Third, salute the flag. flag, isn't it? Salute the flag. Now it is known as the command, isn't it? Means a captain is somewhere, or captain is in front of a platoon and he is commanding to all the soldiers, salute to the flag. That is also known as command, which is considered in imperative sentence. And one more, respect the nation at first, isn't it? It's our duty, it's our moral duty. And once again, such type of lessons they are taught, or it is taught somewhere in the school. Respect the nation at first. Again, the beginning with the main word, and therefore, yes, it is known as an example of imperative sentence. Yes, very simple. Yes, कुठल्याही वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला ज्यावेळेस मुख्य क्रियापद असतं किंवा कुठल्याही वाक्यामध्ये ज्यावेळेस विनंती किंवा आज्ञा केली जाते, अशा वाक्यांना देखील बोलतात imperative sentence. Yes, these are the first two kinds of a sentence, and the remaining two we are going to continue in our next video. Yes, I hope you have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.